Welcome to QDS'S CannaVillage, your one-stop destination for everything cannabis-infused. From savory meals to sweet treats, we've got you covered. So grab your aprons, your favorite strain, and let's get cooking. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell for updates on our latest recipes. And guess what? Coming soon, the official QDS'S CannaVillage recipe book. More on that later. First up, the base for most of our recipes, CannaButter. Here's what you need: 1 cup of unsalted butter, 1 cup of decarboxylated cannabis, about 7 to 10 grams, 1 cup of water. Melt the butter in a saucepan with water. Add the cannabis and let it simmer on low heat for 2 to 3 hours. Drain the mixture through cheesecloth, refrigerate, and voila! Your CannaButter is ready. This essential recipe will be featured in our QDS'S CannaVillage recipe book, so stay tuned. And don't forget to like and share if you're excited for what's next. Now, for something sweet, Canna Gummies. You'll need 1 cup of fruit juice, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 3 tablespoons of gelatin, 2 to 3 teaspoons of your Canna oil. Mix the ingredients in a saucepan, heat gently, pour into molds, and refrigerate until set. These gummies are not only fun, but also easy to dose. You'll find more gummy variations in our upcoming CannaVillage recipe book. If you're loving these recipes, subscribe now for more tasty treats. Next, let's make CannaFlour, a versatile ingredient for baking. Simply grind your decarboxylated cannabis into a fine powder and mix it with your flour at a 1:4 ratio. Use it in cakes, bread, or pasta dough. You'll find detailed tips and tricks in our recipe book. Hit like if you're ready to bake your heart out. It's time for savory dishes. For Canna Spaghetti, incorporate CannaFlour into your pasta dough or drizzle CannaOil over cooked spaghetti. For Canna Lasagna, layer your pasta sheets with sauce, cheese, and a touch of CannaButter. These family favorites will be featured with step-by-step guides in our upcoming CannaVillage recipe book. If you're enjoying these ideas, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Thirsty? Try Canna Juice. Blend your favorite fruits with water, ice, and a teaspoon of Canna oil. It's refreshing and subtly infused. Want more infused beverage recipes? You'll find them all in QDS'S CannaVillage recipe book. If you're loving this content, smash that like button and share with your friends. Dessert time! Canna Cakes. Replace regular butter with CannaButter in your cake recipe. Canna Ice Cream. Fold Canna oil into your ice cream base before freezing. Canna Lollipops. Boil sugar, corn syrup, and water. Add Canna oil and pour into molds. Sweet, infused, and oh so delicious. Want more? These recipes and more will be featured in our CannaVillage recipe book. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? That's it for today at QDS'S CannaVillage. Whether you're making infused spaghetti or whipping up Canna Lollipops, there's something for everyone here. And don't forget, our CannaVillage recipe book is coming soon, packed with all these recipes and more. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to keep the cannabis culinary adventure alive. See you next time, and happy cooking!